basically, there are three types of SEO. Mobile SEO, we have local SEO, and we have international SEO. What local SEO is all about is how you develop and implement SEO strategies that ensures that your visibility online is mobile friendly to your users, to your visitors, to your potential clients. This includes ensuring that your contents are displayed in such a way that it is mobile friendly and enhance usability. This is very necessary because more than 70% of the world internet users are mobile. So it is very important that your SEO strategies include a lot of mobile SEO tricks and hacks, which I'm going to teach you in this course, such that when mobile users search for what you offer or anything relative to what you do online, you have a better chance of getting found. Local SEO includes strategies like local business listing, using Google Maps to ensure that people around you can navigate and find you where you are. I'll be teaching you these strategies in the coming sessions. And we have international SEO. For instance, if you're in China and you're trying to expand your brand to Nigeria, how do you ensure that your message is consistent? How do you ensure that you deliver based on your brand values and objectives? How do you ensure a seamless process between countries?